My name is Karthik. I am from Informatica's Global Customer Support team. In this video KB, we're going to demonstrate on how to run a profile in Hadoop Pushdown Mode using Big Data Management 10.1.1. The agenda for this video is to create a profile on hive table, and we are going to run the profile in Hadoop Pushdown Mode. There are different modes of execution in Hadoop Pushdown, so we can run our profile in MapReduce mode or Blaze mode, or even in tests if you are going to use Hortonworks. In this video, I'm going to use the project demo to import the data object of hive. Hive is having a relational structure and it is categorized as relational data object. Let us select a connection for hive. Select the hive connection. A resource is a table in hive. Select a table on which we have to run a profile. Let us take the test table for our use case. Click Finish to complete the creation of test hive data object. Let us run a data viewer to see the data that is available in the test hive table. So we can see the data in the test table, and we can see 2 records, and there are 3 columns in this table. So now let us run a profile on this test table. Right click on test data object, select profile, select profile once again in the wizard, and name as per your convenience. Let us select next. Choose the columns that you wanted to run a profile on. I'm going to choose all the columns in this use case, and let's select the run settings. So by default we can see the native mode as a validation environment, so we can make the data integration service to run the profile. But in our use case, we would like to run our profile in Hadoop Pushdown modes. So we have to select the second and third options for this use case. So select the second option. It is used to run the profile in MapReduce mode of execution or test, whichever is configured in the hive connection. So we can also use the third option, which is Hadoop. So this option is used for running the profile in Blaze execution mode. So in our use case, let's go with the Hadoop option to run the profile in Blaze. So let's browse for the Hadoop connection. Select OK. Let's click Finish. The profile will be running now. We can also verify the profile run status from the job monitor in the administrator console. So if we see here in the job monitor, in the execution statistics, we can see the list of jobs that are running. So profile_test is the profile that we initiated from the developer client. And we can see a couple of pre-session tasks that are completed, and the main task is under execution. So the profile run is successful, and we can see the results here once it is successful. So here are the results of our profile run. So we have 2 distinct values in call 1 and call 2, and call 3 has only 1 distinct value. You can also see 1 null value. So let's see the data, and that confirms that we have a null here, and So we don't have identical data. So all are distinct values, and we are seeing the right results for our data. You can also refer KB 506395. So it mentions the steps to run a profile using blaze mode in BDM 10.1. And the same steps can be applied even for 10.1.1. We would love to hear from you on this support video. You can write to us at supportvideos@informatica.com, or you can follow us on Twitter, and you can also provide your feedback. Thank you.